Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, come to you from Dollar General. We are going to do another Suave deal. I know it seems a little redundant, but I am doing this simply because someone told me, which in all honesty, I did not even realize. I just saw that the max was $2.99. So I instantly went for this. And not looking at that it says 28 fluid ounces, I just picked up a $3 one just to get the max off. Let me show you the coupon. I did not even realize, hello, come on out my pocket. I did not focus on the max value because this person had a problem at the store, wherever they are located. And it says on the 15 or 18 ounce. Okay, so I'm gonna still try to do a deal with it and see if both coupons will come off. All right, so we are at the body wash. Let's see, these are 15 ounces. So I'm going to pick up another X because we need to trigger off the first coupon. Wait, is this got stuff in there? Okay, no. Then we are going to pick up, let's do one of the hydrating and one of the deep clean. Okay, so now I'm going to try this two ways. Hopefully the cashier will be friendly to me. So we're going to pick up these as well. Wait, hold on. Let me just check this out. So it is saying buy any one Suave Essential Body Wash product and get free, and it's only 15 or 18. Let me think of something right quick. All right, I'm gonna stick with the first deal and I'm gonna try out another way. Okay, so we're just gonna pick up 3 of these because we do have a $1 digital off coupon off of any Suave body wash. So I'm gonna pick up 3. I'm first gonna try it this way as before and see if both of those coupons will come off with me throwing in the axe because that triggers the men's, and then adding in this, and let's see if both come off. If they don't, then we will be adding an extra one and see if that will make both store discounts come off. Alrighty, so this is what I'm gonna do. That's gonna be scanned first, then we're gonna do the 2 paper coupon, then the 2, then the paper coupon. I'm not gonna hand her that right away because I'm first gonna have her total it up and see if both coupons come off. If not, then I'm gonna throw this one in, and we have a $1 digital off coupon, and I think it's supposed to be $5 after everything comes off if both digitals come off. Okay, all right, and then the next way I'm gonna try is this way. Okay, because if we look at the coupon, let's be technical. All right, it says here buy any one Suave Essentials body wash. That means that there is no amount, no size at all of which one to buy. You get 1 free Suave men's body wash that is 15 or 18 ounces. So I'm figuring if we do it this way, put that up, that triggers it. The women's, that is $3. Let me show you up here. It's this one right here, the big bottle. Okay, so we scan that one, then this, then that. It should still take off the $2.99 and we should still be around $3 to pay. So I'm going to try both ways. All right, let's see what happens. Alrighty, and I'm going to do some last bit Arm & Hammer deals, the 5 off 15, because I still have 5 $1 off coupons left, so I'm going to utilize that. And I have 3 accounts that have the $2 off coupon as well as the 50 cents off of the carpet. So the coupon attaches to both of these, so I'm going to go with this one and this deal, and that is $4. And we're going to come right on over here, and wait a minute, what am I gonna do? Oh, let me get the carpet cleaner in here. Over, and I'm gonna get one of each of this. So now we're at 8, and I need seven more dollars. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back to the detergent since I have a $1 off coupon. I think that's what I'll do. And well, actually, I'll get an $8 one. I know it'll be $16, but that's fine with me. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get one of these down here, the bigger bottle, for $8, and use my $1 off coupon for that transaction. And I'm gonna do another one, or I'm gonna get this for $5. Do I want more carpet? No, I'm just gonna pick up 3 of these here and use 2 coupons, making it $7 after. Okay, and got one more account. So I'm gonna take another one of these. This is 4. Maybe I'll do the carpet or 4. Actually, I'm gonna pick up another one. Ooh, I didn't see this one last time. Well, I was in a different store. So I'll take one of these. We're at 7, and I need $8 more. 8. So actually, I'll just get me another bottle. Just get me another liquid bottle. Did I get me another $8 one? Wait, how many coupons did I just use? 1, 2, 3. That would be 4. Yeah, I'll probably pick me up another $8 bottle. That one. And you could also get those Arm & Hammer baking sodas in the food aisle. The little ones, I think they're 80 cents or 85 or 90 cents. Just go ahead and pick up some of those to do your filler item. Alrighty, this is your better bet. I will show you the other deal that I did with the bigger bottles. So here you see, these are all the $2 items, okay? Now, this one does not attach to the coupon. I was picking it up to try it because it says hair and body, but obviously it is registered under hair. So like shampoo, conditioner. So do not pick this up. The reason why I have it is because she ended up taking off this, ringing this twice, and still giving me this anyway. So that's why you see it in this transaction. But don't get this, get 2 of those, or the other one that I had in the earlier video. Okay, so we have a paper coupon, or you have a 50% off digital coupon. So you just pay 50 cents more that you can use. Let's say if you only ordered for the Suave and don't have Axe, there is a 50-cent digital coupon off any Axe item. But I use my paper coupon. These are all $2. And then we have the buy one get one free coupon that I use, and we use 1 digital off any body wash Suave coupon. This turned out to be a cheaper deal than the one I tried just a little bit ago. As you can see, all the coupons came off. Now what you will see, show you right here. Now everything went out of whack the second that she took off that 2-in-1. because the coupon wasn't scanning, so I just told her to scan an extra one. So as you can see, the coconut and cherry, they're both $2. They show up there. So that coupon is not attaching to those. What happened is she scanned the two men's together, and as you can see, $2 came off both. She actually scanned all the coupons. She actually scanned all the coupons at the end, and it came off perfectly. So, like I said, you see the two men's there, and then you see the $2 being taken off of each, and then the dollar digital coupon that came off of the cherry blossom. $4 for 6 items with a $10 savings. Perfect. All right, so this was the other deal that I tried. I actually did this deal first, so I could just get it out the way and just see. Both store discounts did come off, but this cost me $5 simply because with the buy one get one free coupon, it only took off the $2. Why? Because that $2 has been coded just for the men's. Just for the men's, as the coupon states. So it's not going to take off if you put that one first or whatever. It's finding wherever the men's body wash is and taking it off. Okay, so this right here costed me $5. Okay, so we did the axe first so that the men's $2 off 6 would attach, and then well, let's put it this way. Then I put the arrangement like this, thinking that the $2.99 was going to come off, possibly. If not, I already calculated that it would have been $5 instead of $3. So here is the receipt. And so $9 in savings, and for 5 items. So basically we paid $1 a piece for all of them, and it attached just as I said. As you can see, the first store discount right there under the X is the $2, and then over here store for $1, and then down here another one for $1. So all $4 came off, plus the $2 in the coupons. We're paying $5 for the 5 items. So you can do it whichever way that you want to. Get yourself a bigger body wash, but either way they should not complain, because these are 15 ounce. And I had no problems with these. It's only a problem with the 2-in-1. Don't pick that up. All right, everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. Bye.